Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Hard nut to crack. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Hard nut to crack is an idiom that means something is difficult to understand or solve. For example, understanding calculus can be a hard nut to crack for many students. To remember the meaning of hard nut to crack easily, think of a hard-shelled nut that is difficult to crack open. Similarly, something that is a hard nut to crack is challenging to understand or solve. Let me share a story to help you understand the idiom better. John was trying to solve a complex math problem, but it was a hard nut to crack. He spent hours trying to solve it but couldn't. Finally, he sought help from his teacher, who explained the solution step by step, making it easy for John to understand. Here are 5 example sentences that illustrate the usage of hard nut to crack. 1. Solving the puzzle was a hard nut to crack. 2. Understanding the new software was a hard nut to crack for the team. 3. Learning a new language can be a hard nut to crack for many people. 4. The case was a hard nut to crack for the detectives. 5. The exam was a hard nut to crack for the students. To ensure you've understood the idiom, here's a quiz for you. Which of the following is an example of hard nut to crack? A. Solving a simple math problem. B. Understanding a complex theory. C. Learning the alphabet. Answer B. Understanding a complex theory is a hard nut to crack. In summary, hard nut to crack means something is challenging to understand or solve. To remember it easily, think of a hard-shelled nut that is difficult to crack open. Remember, if something is a hard nut to crack, seek help from someone who can explain it better.